Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about Mesothelioma law firm. So let's start the video. Mesothelioma law firm lawsuit on the behalf of victim Asbestos and Explore. They are the patient and their families pre-sure a financial compensation throughout settlement and their jury verdicts. The Mesothelioma law firm have a high sources rates and long history of getting result of their clients. Choosing the right law firm for your cases is one of the most important decisions you will make. Finding a Mesothelioma law firm, an asbestos Mesothelioma law firm has to victim their loved ones determine whatever they can be file a lawsuit against the manufacturer of asbestos containing product. These manufacturers knew about asbestos good cases worker and general public to get sick. This is but why hidden of truth and decades for in the order of make a profit. Law firm work in the begin for these are manufacturers and justice and to try for compensation for victims. Anyone diagnosed with mesothelioma should be contain a law firm as soon as possible. There is the limit time that take a legal action and mesothelioma law firm may be able to file claim on a behalf of time and runs out. Why do I need to hire mesothelioma law firm? Asbestos and mesothelioma cases can be extremely complex and most of the time local always who claim they are handled to cases and end up for the refunding thence to a national law firm focused on mesothelioma. Because of complexity and types of cases, the experienced asbestos law firm will be have to resources and ensure the cases whatever it needed to go. With the sum of cases taking place in multiple states, a legal law firm that is the best to be recovered and most financial compensation for your cases. Most of them work with a contingency fees, the meaning of only get to pay off their recovery money for you. How do I find a top mesothelioma law firm? We are connected your mesothelioma law firm and help to families take legal action quickly, reach for out now and get the cases of reviewed for free. Who are the best mesothelioma firm? Finding the best mesothelioma law firm are the difference between receiving a settlements going to the home empty-handed and following law firms are deeply experienced in handling mesothelioma cases and trials. Top 5 mesothelioma law firm. Simons Henry Courtney, School of Law, Law Office of Ricky and Law Balance, Cricket Trial Lawyers and the Law of Office in the Army and Granted. Features of law firm Simon and Halley Courtney. Mesothelioma is the hope of proud and partner with the Simon and Halley Courtney who have been serving in our users with mesothelioma who needed to legal services of many years. Founded in 1999 by attorneys John Simmons, U.S. military veteran, Simon Halley Courtney began as a modest team of seven, decided in addicting for impacted that asbestos-related diagnosis. Today, as one of the country's best mesothelioma law firm, it have achievement landmark verdicts, including the pointing $34.5 billion in the mid-sun countries. Illustration of recording setting $250 millions of US steel worker. Impressive receiving totaling over $10.2 billion, highlighting our not ever resources. Success like $60 millions of the years of New York labor and $34 million of the Missouri roofer. A truly national mesothelioma law firm with operations spanning 5 key locations New York, San Francisco, and EI Sanguido of US. Plasticon of Evander included over $21 million donated in the cancer research, $10.2 million invested in Cancer Institute and Southeastern Illustration University, and relying for community engagement throughout initiated and like for miles in the mass race with a rise nearly $1 million since 2009. Transmissional firm Siemens Healthy Corny clients. Trust in the advocacy clients are constantly experienced in their heartfelt appreciation and Simon Conley. They are highlighting the firms of decided compensation communicated with the justice. Here are the snapshot of their experience. Beyond legal assistance, financial relief, consistent communication, graduated and recommendations. What do top mesothelioma law firm provide? Mesothelioma law firm handles the most of work and filling for mesothelioma asbestos lawyers to victim a focus on improving their health and spending time of their families. There are multiple ways that your mesothelioma law firm provide and impact services that ensure your cases is successful. A dedicated legal term, everything that start a completed mesothelioma top legal terms, the top law firms that are slowly really and lawyers to be handled a mesothelioma clients. They are count in the entire of medical and